Bringing home a dog for the first time is exciting, but it's also a responsibility that shouldn't be taken lightly. While every dog needs love, structure, and care, some breeds are simply better suited for beginners. The right choice can make your first experience enjoyable and rewarding, while the wrong one can quickly become overwhelming. Hello, and welcome to Doggy Pedia, where we help you choose, understand, and care for the right dog for your lifestyle. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you never miss practical, real-world advice on dog breeds, training, and responsible pet ownership. Today, we're talking about the 10 easiest dog breeds to train for first-time owners. Whether you're planning to bring home your very first dog, or you're just looking for a cooperative, beginner-friendly companion, this list will give you a clear place to start. Let's get into it. Number 1. The Labrador Retriever. Let's start with one of the most popular dog breeds in the United States, the Labrador Retriever. Labs are friendly, outgoing, and eager to please, which makes them one of the easiest dogs for beginners to live with. They're known for being affectionate with everyone, children, adults, other dogs, and even strangers. Labradors thrive in homes where they get plenty of interaction and physical activity. They do best with people who enjoy regular walks, outdoor play, or even swimming. Although they're not particularly demanding when it comes to grooming, they do shed and benefit from routine brushing. As long as you can meet their daily exercise needs, the Labrador Retriever is one of the most rewarding dogs a new owner can raise. Number 2. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. If you're looking for a smaller, more easygoing dog, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a wonderful choice. These dogs are incredibly affectionate and gentle, often described as being more like companions than pets. They enjoy cuddling, lounging near their humans, and following you from room to room. Cavaliers are generally quiet and adaptable, making them well-suited for apartments, smaller homes, or less active lifestyles. They don't need hours of exercise, but a short walk and a little playtime each day will keep them happy. Grooming is simple. Regular brushing is usually enough to keep their coat in good condition. For first-time owners who want a calm, loving, and manageable dog, the Cavalier checks all the boxes. Number 3. The Golden Retriever. Next up is the Golden Retriever, another American favorite. Goldens are gentle, devoted, and incredibly patient, which makes them an excellent choice for families with children or for anyone who's never owned a dog before. They're extremely social and thrive on human companionship. What makes Golden Retrievers ideal for new dog owners is their balanced personality. They're smart, eager to learn, and not overly stubborn. They can be trained easily and usually get along well with people and other pets alike. On the downside, they do shed quite a bit, and their coats require regular brushing. But their loving and even-tempered nature makes that a small trade-off for most people. Number 4. The Bishon Frise. Now, if you're interested in a smaller dog that doesn't shed much and has a cheerful personality, consider the Bishon Frise. This breed is known for being playful, affectionate, and surprisingly sturdy for its size. Bishons are also a good choice for allergy-sensitive homes, as their coats are less likely to trigger allergic reactions. While they don't shed, Bishons do require grooming to keep their coat in good shape, often with the help of a professional groomer. But in return, you get a bright, social companion who enjoys spending time with the family and adapts well to most living environments. They're especially good for first-time owners who want a smaller, low-shedding dog that still has a fun and lively spirit. Number 5. The Poodle. Whether you choose a toy, miniature, or standard size, the Poodle is one of the most intelligent and versatile breeds you can own. Poodles are known for their trainability, their clean habits, and their low-shedding, hypoallergenic coats. This breed is particularly well-suited for first-time dog owners who want a dog that's smart and engaging, but also manageable. Poodles respond very well to positive reinforcement training, and they love to learn new tricks and routines. Just keep in mind that their coat does require regular grooming or trimming to prevent matting. Overall, the Poodle offers the complete package: brains, elegance, and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for new dog owners who are up for a little grooming maintenance in exchange for one of the most intelligent dogs out there. So far, we've looked at 5 dogs that are well suited for first-time owners: the always friendly Labrador Retriever, the gentle Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, the dependable Golden Retriever, the cheerful Bishon Frise, and the clever and elegant Poodle. Each of these dogs brings something unique to the table, but all are known for being easy to live with, easy to train, and well adapted to a variety of lifestyles. In the second half of this list, we'll explore 5 more breeds that are beginner-friendly, easy to train, and bring joy to new dog owners in very different ways. Let's jump right in. Number 6. The Shih Tzu. If you're looking for a calm, affectionate companion that's well suited to apartment living or smaller spaces, the Shih Tzu is a breed worth considering. Originally bred to be lapdogs for Chinese royalty, Shih Tzus are loving, polite, and surprisingly sturdy for their size. They're not overly energetic, which makes them a great match for owners with a more relaxed lifestyle. One thing to know is that their long, flowing coat does require grooming, either regular brushing at home or routine trips to a groomer. But in return, you get a sweet, people-oriented dog that doesn't bark excessively and enjoys being close to their humans. For first-time owners who want a small but affectionate dog, the Shih Tzu is an excellent choice. Number 7. The Boxer. If you want a larger dog with a playful personality and a big heart, the Boxer might be a perfect match. Boxers are known for being loyal, energetic, and incredibly fun-loving. They're great with kids, protective without being aggressive, and form strong bonds with their families. Boxers are fairly easy to train, especially if you start early, and they do well in homes where they get plenty of exercise and interaction. They have short coats that require very little grooming, but they do need a bit more physical activity than some of the other breeds on this list. If you're an active person or a family looking for a friendly, alert dog that loves to play, a Boxer is a great pick, even for beginners. Number 8. The Havanese. Next up is a small breed with a big personality, the Havanese. Known for being cheerful, affectionate, and highly people-oriented, Havanese dogs are ideal for first-time owners who want a dog that's easygoing but still interactive. They don't like being left alone for long periods, so they do best in homes where someone is around most of the day. Havanese adapt well to different living spaces, including apartments, and they're good with children and other pets. While they do have a longer coat that needs brushing, they're not heavy shedders. Their temperament is what really makes them shine. They're friendly, trainable, and eager to be part of the family. If you want a low-drama companion that's affectionate and easy to handle, the Havanese could be a great fit. Number 9. The Papon. If you're open to a small dog that's active, curious, and incredibly smart, consider the Papon. Don't let their delicate appearance fool you. These dogs are athletic, lively, and very responsive to training. They get their name from their butterfly-shaped ears, but it's their intelligence and cheerful personality that make them stand out. Papillons love to stay busy and enjoy learning tricks or participating in agility games. They aren't lapdogs in the traditional sense, but they are loyal and affectionate with their owners. Because they're lightweight and easy to manage, they're ideal for people who may want a compact dog with a lot of personality. Just be sure you're ready to provide mental stimulation. These little dogs are smart and they know it. Number 10. The Mixed Breed Shelter Dog. And finally, a category that goes beyond purebreds entirely. The mixed breed dog from a shelter or rescue. When you adopt from a shelter, you can often find dogs with calm, gentle temperaments who are already past the intense puppy stage. Many shelters and rescue groups will work with you to match your lifestyle and experience level to the right dog, whether you want an active hiking partner or a quiet cuddle buddy. Mixed breed dogs often benefit from hybrid vigor, meaning they may have fewer inherited health issues than some purebreds. And perhaps most importantly, giving a shelter dog a second chance can be one of the most rewarding decisions you ever make. For many first-time owners, this option offers both flexibility and the opportunity to make a real difference. So there you have it, 10 dog breeds that are especially well suited for first-time owners. Each one brings something different to the table, but they all share key traits: trainability, steady temperament, and a willingness to bond with new owners. If you're just starting your journey into dog ownership, choosing the right breed can make everything from training to daily care so much more rewarding. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Are you considering one of the breeds on this list? Or do you already live with a dog that was a perfect fit for your first time as an owner? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read everyone. And if this video helped you feel more confident about your decision, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video from us here at Doggypedia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.